How to activate international roaming in Jio. To activate Jio international roaming, you have to buy an international roaming pack via the MyJio app. So make sure that you have downloaded the MyJio application in this case. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and then make sure to launch it. So I'll just go ahead and then search for the MyJio app. After you open it up, make sure that you sign into your respective account via your phone number or whatever verification methods that you have opted for. Once you've purchased the roaming pack, you can contact the customer care also to activate the pay as you go option before you travel. So before you travel, just contact the customer care and tell them to activate the pay as you go option. And once you arrive at your destination, your Jio SIM should actually automatically activate international roaming. But if that doesn't work, you might have to also enable data roaming in your phone's settings. So depending upon whichever phone that it is that you're using, make sure to just launch the settings application there. And once you're there, you can go to your mobile network settings, and if there is something like data roaming, you want to make sure to turn on data roaming in this case. So you can see O roaming, in some cases it says O roaming, then you want to make sure to go to settings and make sure to enable O roaming over there. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.